welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys a fall makeup look on this look and I really liked how it came out. It's super simple. It's something really cute, ready for the fall. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, let's just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have my eyebrows done. I think they came out a little thick. I don't know. I'm trying to stay away from thick eyebrows, but I don't know. I've been doing pretty good with keeping my eyebrows thin. I do not like thick. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, and I'm using my Neutrogena water gel base moisturizer, the one that I always use. It's a freaking amazing moisturizer. For primers today, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild matte primer and the Mirabella Prime. I don't know, this is what it looks like. I'm going to be doing both of these. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F12. You guys, this is my go-to now, like my all-time favorite foundation. I definitely recommend you guys get it. I do want to go ahead and say that I do know that it oxidizes, but when I put on that freaking translucent powder, it's not really translucent, I go white. So I need a little darker foundation so that it'll kind of even out later. Okay, for concealers, I'm going to be using both concealers that I always use, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in color medium and the Maybelline concealer in color sand, which is 20. So this is what I'm going to be using. As we all know, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my whole entire face. Well, not my whole entire face, but under my eyes, okay? Alright, so now that I look like a clown, check, we're going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with the Medium Deep Setting Powder by Maybelline. To bronze up my face, because now I look like a ghost, we're going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Blush Neutral palette by BH Cosmetics. It has a blush in it. I'm going to be using this one right there. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start with the eyes, and I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using the 35O palette and as well as the Jaclyn Hill palette. Those are like literally my go-to freaking palettes year-round now, but like especially for the fall, they have really neutral brown tone colors, and I love that whole entire vibe. So we're gonna go ahead and start with 35O palette, and I'm gonna be going in this color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in the Chiquilins Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. And I'm going to use a flatter brush to go more in depth into like my actual crease. For the next color, we're going to go into this one right here. So now that I've got the cut crease done, I'm going to go ahead and add my shadow. I'm just going to, oh shit, I'm sorry. I'm just going to go into like a natural color, and I'm going to go into this one right here, and this is in the 35O palette. It's like a really, it's not white, it's kind of like a creamy color. It's good. I love it. So I'm just going to go straight to eyelashes, and today I'm going to be wearing the D22 eyelashes, and I got these off of AliExpress, yes. Super good, super bomb, love, 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 love. So yeah. Okay, so now for the lower lash line, we're going to go in the first brown, which was this one right here. My eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and for my lips I'm going to be using this MAC Studio lipstick. There is no color on it. I bought this at TJ Maxx, super cute, but no color. But this is what it looks like, and it was only like $2 or $3, I'm not sure. For highlight, I'm going to be using the bronzed one on my Anastasia Glow Kit. guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked how my makeup came out. So I hope you guys do too. And yeah guys, so I'm super ready for fall. I know it's a little early, but is it really ever too early for fall? Is it? Like, honestly, I don't know. But anyway guys, so like I said, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and watch more of my makeup tutorials. And yeah guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.